Forgejo or Gitlab. One is lightweight and community-owned, the other is a full DevOps platform. So which one should you actually use? Here's the breakdown. Forgejo is completely free and open source. It's a fork of KDE that focuses on community governance and user freedom. Maintained by Codeberg, a German nonprofit organization. The big advantage? It's lightweight and fast, ready in seconds. Written in Go, uses minimal resources compared to other forges. Forgejo includes Git hosting, issue tracking, pull requests, wikis, and Forgejo actions for CI/CD automation directly in the repository. It's self-hosted only, you run it on your own server. No tracking, no telemetry, radically transparent governance. Best for teams who want simplicity, speed, privacy, and don't need enterprise DevOps features. If you're migrating from GitHub and want something minimal that just works, Forgejo is your pick. Gitlab is also open source but runs as open core. Gitlab Community Edition is free, but the company sells premium and ultimate tiers with advanced features. It's a complete DevOps platform. Built-in CI/CD, container registry, security scanning, monitoring, Kanban boards, time tracking, milestone management. Everything integrated, Gitlab is huge and resource-heavy. Users report waiting 60 seconds just for services to settle after setup. It's powerful but bloated compared to Forgejo. Self-hosting is possible with Community Edition, but you need serious server resources. GitLab.com offers hosted service. Best for enterprises needing full lifecycle DevOps, advanced project management, and willing to handle the resource overhead. My honest take, use Forgejo if you want lightweight, fast Git hosting with minimal features and community governance. Perfect for small teams, privacy-focused projects, or anyone tired of bloated platforms. Use Gitlab if you need a complete DevOps solution with integrated CI/CD, project management, and enterprise-ready features. Gitlab is powerful but heavy. Forgejo is minimal but fast. Both are free to self-host. Pick based on your needs. Drop a comment. Which one do you use? Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.